Why weight loss is needed? Losing weight can be challenging, but it is considered as a part of weight management and it is important because weighing too much is not good for our health. Being overweight increases the risk of heart conditions such as heart problems, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Being overweight can also increase the risk for osteoarthritis, sleep apnea, or other respiratory problems. Being overweight may also cause a person to feel sad or be treated differently by others. Trikonasana. Trikon means triangle. Stand with your feet comfortably apart. Slowly raise both the arms sideways till they're horizontal. Exhale. Slowly bend to the right side and place your right hand just above the right foot. The left arm is straight up in line with the right arm. Remain in this posture for 30 seconds with normal breathing. And then return to the starting position. Repeat the same for the left side. Trikonasana is also called the triangle pose, mainly done for removing the love handles in women. The other yoga poses for removing the love handles includes Prasarita Padotsana, Navasana, Konasana II, and Ardha Matsyendrasana. Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Lie on the floor face down. Place both your palms on the floor sideways to the chest. Inhale. Gently raise the body up, resting the palm on the floor like a cobra rising up. Hips remain on the floor. Stay in that position for a while and then resume previous position with face down. Bhujanga Asana or the cobra pose is mainly done for flat stomach. The other yoga poses for flat stomach includes Hastapadasana, Dhanurasana, Paschimottasana, Kumbhakasana, Uttarsana, and also Ekapada Adho Mukha Swavasana. Benefits of yoga for health includes yoga builds muscle strength. Yoga improves posture. Yoga prevents cartilage and joint breakdown. Yoga also increases blood flow. Yoga drains limbs and boosts immunity. It also lowers blood sugar, maintains nervous system, and yoga also gives peace of mind. Yoga also eases your pain. According to several studies, asana, meditation, or a combination of the two reduced pain in people with arthritis, back pain, fibromyalgia, carpal tunnel syndrome, and other chronic conditions. When you relieve your pain, your mood improves, you're more inclined to be active, and you don't need as much medication. Stress. Stress is a part of our daily life now, irrespective of age or gender. Stress can come from any situation or thought that makes one feel frustrated, angry, or anxious. Everyone sees situations differently and has different coping skills. Negative effects of stress on our body includes diabetes, high blood pressure, heart problems, weakened immune system, ulcers and many more. On our mood it includes anxiety, restlessness, lack of motivation or focus, irritability or anger, sadness or depression. On our behavior it includes overeating or undereating, angry outbursts, drug or alcohol abuse, conflict with others, social withdrawal. Ujjayi Pranayama. The importance of the statement Ujjayi in Sanskrit is Ujjayate Ujjayi, which connotes us like murmuring sound is processing throughout the act of this pranayama. So this pranayama is called as Ujjayi. So this is done like sit up tall in a cross-legged position. Seal lips. Breathe in through nose. Restrict back of throat and breathe out through nose, creating audible sounds of waves with breathe. Start with right hand thumb and ring finger. Press right thumb on right nostril. Inhale through left nostril. Press ring finger on left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. This can be done many rounds depending on the individual. Sit up tall in a cross-legged position. Breathe in deep through nose, open mouth and exhale. Lie straight and flat on the mat. Bend your knees to bring the soles or bottoms of your feet together to touch. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Stay in the pose for up to a minute, breathing deeply and slowly. Slowly return to the starting position. Savasana, the most important part of our yoga practice. Make yourself comfortable, bring the feet wider than hip distance, relax arms by your sides with the palms facing up and close the eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose, exhale and release control of the breath and let the breath be natural. Scan the body starting from feet, relax your toes, relax the legs, relax the thighs, feel the whole body become heavier, relax the hips, relax the shoulders, the arms, the hands. Savasana is a time for completely letting go, release any tension. Stay in this position few more minutes in silence. Keep still and rest. When you feel ready, press away from the floor and come up to a seated pose.
Benefits of yoga during pregnancy. Yoga is beneficial for all in any age groups. Some specific yogas are advised to practice during pregnancies as because yoga helps to calm yourself down. During pregnancy, there is a rush of hormones in the body, and women often complain about anxiety, mood swings, and stress. Performing yoga can reduce such problems during pregnancy. Yoga also lessens delivery related complications, prepares the mother for smooth delivery of the baby, eases pregnancy pains, and lot more stress relievers. Yogas also help in maintaining the posture, which is very much likely to get disturbed during pregnancy as the baby grows up in the mother's womb. Lastly, it helps to keep up a good mental as well as physical health. Yoga poses for first trimester during pregnancies. Pose 1, Vrikshasana. Vriksh meaning tree, asana means posture. It is also known as tree posture. This posture can be done by following the steps. Step 1, stand straight. Step 2, lift the right leg, placing the right foot inside the left thigh. The toe of the right foot must face downwards. Step 3, join hands like prayer at chest level. Step 4, slowly lift the hands upward till the hands are stretched upwards. Step 5, hold this position for a few seconds and take deep breaths. Step 6, slowly lower the arms to chest level and again the legs are straightened. Repeat these steps with the other leg. Health benefits of Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana helps to improve posture and improves concentration capacity and also mental well-being. It also strengthens the hip and pelvic region, bones and muscles, and also it reduces back pain as pregnant women experiences back pains quite often during pregnancy. So it is advisable to practice this posture in the first trimester. Pose 2, Veerbhadrasana. Lord Shiva is considered to be the creator of this posture. Veer means brave or warrior, Bhadra means blessed, and Asana means posture. It is also known as warrior pose. This asana is performed by the following steps. Step 1, stand straight. Step 2, move the legs 3 to 4 feet apart from each other. Step 3, raise both hands till the hands are stretched and slowly join them over the head. Step 4, bend one leg at the knee by making a 90-degree angle and another leg at 15-degree to 60-degree angle. Step 5, keep the head straight, look in front and hold this pose for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6, break the posture, bring the legs close to each other, bring the hands down and repeat these same steps on the other side with other leg. Health benefits of Veerbhadrasana. Veerbhadrasana is a strengthening and stretching pose. It strengthens the muscles of the legs, arms, shoulders, and back while stretching the calves. This posture is recommended to practice during pregnancy because it strengthens up the muscles of the body to support the growing baby in the mother's womb. Pose 1, Vajrasana. Vajra means thunder and asana means posture. Hence it is also known as thunder pose. This asana is performed by following the following steps. Step 1, kneel down on a flat surface and sit on the legs. Step 2, keep the knees close to each other, toes touching each other but heels apart. Heels touches the side of the hips. Step 3, keep the palms on the thighs and the back and head straight. Eyes closed and take a deep breath. Step 4. Hold this position for as long as you can. Health benefits of Vajrasana. Vajrasana helps to improve digestion and prevents constipation, which is a common pregnancy problem. It is also helps to strengthen the muscles of the pelvic region and reduces back pain. Pose 2. Bhadrasana. Bhadra means gracious and asana means posture. Hence, it is also known as gracious posture. This asana is performed by the following steps. Step 1. Sit on the floor and stretch out the legs. Step 2. Fold the legs and bring them close to each other. The back of the feet should touch each other. Step 3. Pull the joint legs towards the perineum with the help of hands. Step 4. Keep the spine straight and relax the body, especially the shoulders. Step 5. Hold this position for as long as you can. Health benefits of Bhadrasana. Regular practice of Bhadrasana will improve flexibility and prepare your pelvis for childbirth. It is advisable to practice for 10 to 15 minutes before the third trimester starts. Yoga poses for third trimester during pregnancy. Pose 1. Ardha Titli Asana. Ardha means half, Titli means butterfly, Asana is posture. Hence it is also known as half butterfly posture. This asana is performed by the following steps. Step 1. Sit on the floor and stretch out the legs. Step 2. Bend the right leg, place it comfortably on the left thigh. Step 3. Hold the right knee with the right hand and left toes with the left hand. Step 4. Keep the back straight and look in front. Take a deep breath. Health benefits of Ardha Tatli Asana. This posture helps in loosening of hip and knee joints and enables faster and safer delivery of the baby. Pose 2. Purna Titli Asana. Purna means full, Titli means butterfly, and Asana means posture. Hence it is also known as full butterfly posture. This asana is done by the following steps. Step 1. Sit on the floor and stretch out the legs. Step 2. Bend both the knees and bring your feet towards the pelvis. The soles of the feet should touch each other. Step 3. Hold the feet with hands and keep the back straight. Step 4. Start flapping both the legs up and down like the wings of a butterfly. Keep on doing this flapping. Step 5. Hold this position for about 2 to 5 minutes. Health benefits of Purna Titli Asana. Purna Titli Asana increases fertility levels and also beneficial for pregnant women for easy and smooth delivery of the baby.
Benefits of yoga during elderly. As one ages, it becomes important to incorporate physical activity into our daily routines so that they can feel more energetic and can help manage the aches and pains that aging brings with it. Often, senior citizens suffer from osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, aches and pains in different parts of the body, which can be prevented to some extent with regular yoga practice. Yoga offers a relaxing way to let go of the muscular tension in the body, thereby reducing stress, and works as a mood booster, which is helpful for the social environment. It enhances balance, flexibility, mobility, and strength, alongside improving the respiratory, digestive, and the nervous system. Lastly, yoga comes with an added benefit of expanded awareness of self and lets you have a good night's sleep. We will now be looking into 3 simple yoga postures for the elderly. First is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For this, you may sit in any meditative posture or on a chair as you are comfortable. Keeping the spine upright using the Vishnu Mudra, use your right thumb to block the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril for 2 seconds. Now, block both nostrils, holding the breath for 4 seconds. Keeping the left nostril blocked, release and exhale for 2 seconds from the right nostril. Now, inhale from the right nostril for 2 seconds, block and hold breath for 4 seconds. Keeping the right nostril blocked, release and exhale from the left nostril for 2 seconds. Lastly, block both the nostrils, hold the breath in suspension for 2 seconds. This completes one single round. Repeat for a minimum of 5 or a maximum of 10 rounds. Health benefits. Regular practice has known to be very useful in helping with old age health disorders like CVD, high BP, depression, constipation, and anxiety. It is also fruitful in overcoming negative thoughts, brings in positive emotions, and positive outlook towards the life of the elderly. Cardiac and hypotensive patients may just keep inhaling and exhaling. Our second yoga is the Padhasta Asana or the hand to foot posture. For this, stand with your feet together and hands at your side. While inhaling, raise your both hands from the front above your head. While exhaling, bend forward slowly and with control so as your hands touch the feet with your palms facing downward. Exhale and try moving your head towards the space between your knees and keeping them straight. Stay in this position for 6 seconds. Inhale and exhale slowly. Release your hands and come up and bring your hands down to the sides in upright posture. Health benefits. It helps in eliminating pain and inflammation in the joints and muscles, especially for seniors suffering from arthritis. Since Padahasta Asana requires bending and stretching, it stretches the hamstring, spine, and other muscles, thus making them flexible. It also improves functioning of the digestive system. The last yoga posture is the Bhujanga Asana or the Cobra pose. For this, first lie down on your stomach on a mat with your hands at the sides of your body. Then, bending at the elbows, place your palms facing down near your chest, keeping them close to the body. Inhaling, slowly and with control, raise your body upwards only until the navel, keeping sure that the feet remain together and not separated. Hold this position for 6 seconds. Exhaling, bring your head, neck and torso down to rest on the mat. You may repeat this for minimum 5 times. Health benefits. It influences and strengthens the health of your entire body, stimulates and improves all the organs including the nervous system. It alleviates various diseases linked to the digestive system, regulates the menstrual cycle, improves the vital capacity of lungs. It also helps cope up with insomnia and increases concentration.